today we are making 3 different flavor: orange chicken, pineapple, pepperoni. So I'm making some pizza inside in the oven here. Also, my husband's making pizza with me today. Making the dough in the kitchen, then we're gonna bring everything outside. My husband set up this pizza oven. So great. Cook the pizza in 90 seconds. Start making the pizza dough. Only 5 ingredients if you're including water, and that would be 6 ingredients. You can use any all-purpose flour or high gluten flour like this pizza flour. First, we put the flour in. If you wanna mix with your hand, feel free. Today, I don't feel like doing any exercise, so we use the stand mixer. Flour in, salt, sugar, and yeast. Get this up. Okay. Here's some warm water. Add a little bit in. Little by little. Don't hurry. Your best cooking tool, chopsticks. I push it down the flour on the side. So the dough is kind of a half mix. I add olive oil. So now gradually you can see forming a little dough already. I didn't even use all the water. Depends on the weather, the temperature in your room, the weather in your house. Ooh, let's check. Ooh, the soft dough. All right, beat this on a higher speed for a little bit more until smooth, kind of smooth ball. And we can put it on the side. We got this dough proofing plastic tub. I like to brush some olive oil on the top so the dough won't stick on here. It's easier to take it out. Put this in, put the lid on. Now we sit on the side for 30 minutes. Orange chicken. Everybody loves in America, but this version is what I eat when I grew up in China. This tastes totally different. We call 陈皮鸡. When you go to China, don't order orange chicken. So the Panda Express style orange chicken, it's not served in China. This one, it's not deep fried, it's just stir fried. There's no breading. You can use this as a pizza topping or just a stir fry. You can eat with rice. 1 recipe, 2 dishes. Also, fortune cookies. That's something new for me when I moved here from China. I was so shocked. First time seeing fortune cookies. I had a big question mark in my head. I asked my husband, what is this? He just started laughing at me because I really don't know why they give us this weird shaped cookies. He explained to me, here at a Chinese restaurant, give out fortune cookies. But in China, don't expect any fortune cookies. You're not gonna get it. I just never really eat dessert after dinner. That's a shocking thing to say to my kids. They just don't believe me. Some Chinese cooking wine. Actually, this is the bean starch. That I use the most. But cornstarch is easier to find here. So I just measure my Chinese eyeballs. If you're first time here, just pay attention to my eyeballs. It's like a measuring spoons. Growing up in China, we never had any measuring spoons, and just measure like this, like my grandma. Sit on the side. Here's the orange chicken sauce. First, I got some soy sauce, vinegar, a little bit of sugar. Now we get the orange peel in here first. The zest got this citrusy orange taste in the sauce, like real orange chicken. And it's healthier. Let's squeeze some juice. You can just use the store-bought juice, but squeeze the fresh orange juice. Tastes always better. It tastes really good. Now let's wok. Hot wok. Don't put oil. We're smoking garlic and ginger first. You stir fry this for 15 seconds, then add the chicken. We stir fry it until the chicken all basically cooked, opaque. Now we add the secret orange chicken sauce. Thicken the sauce will be on the pizza. Also, I like to add some color, dark soy sauce, if you like. Not necessary, but the color turns out to be much darker, much nicer. Taste test my sauce. So good. Chicken's ready for the pizza. If you don't want to make pizza, this orange chicken will be perfect on your dinner table with your rice. Topping with some green onion. Here, let's check the dough. Ooh, looks very fluffy. So we punch it down. Stress release toy. If your kids love slime, just have them make pizza. Sprinkle some flour on your surface. So for this recipe, you can make a big pizza for the family. But for today, I'm making smaller, like a personal pizza for the kids. You know, it's easier. Let's divide it. Cut it. I always love these damp cloths. I know they look dirty, but they're clean. Let's roll this one first. I have so many rolling pins. This is actually for dumpling. I like it. It's just a smaller rolling pin you can roll, or you can use the bigger one. But this recipe, dough recipe, use it so many times. Every time the pizza comes out really good. Sometimes thicker, as I roll it a little thicker, sometimes thinner, because I spend more time rolling. The crust, you can actually fold a little, like that. Should I do it? Did it? Not bad, not bad. I like this parchment paper. First, I brush some olive oil or any oil to prevent any bubbling. We poke some holes. It's one of my kids' favorite activity to do. Get some sauce on there, and then lay the chicken meat on top. If you don't eat cheese with pizza, this tastes as good without cheese. Chinese people, we don't eat a lot of cheese, but this orange chicken actually good with cheese. Costco mozzarella cheese. Sprinkle it on top. Looks so good. I wish you were here. Let's add the Parmesan. Doesn't matter what kind of cheese you add on top. 2 little pizza I made. I fold the edges. They look kind of cute. Let's put it on the paper. Let's put it here. I like to brush some olive oil. Poke some holes, remember? This is store-bought pizza. You can make your own. To save time today, cook for this big party. I show you how I cut this pineapple. Start now. Put a pineapple on here, the chopped ones. Look at the color, right? Pineapple always look great with the pizza sauce. Just put pepperoni right here. Look how cute they're looking. Cheese time. Let's sprinkle that cheese on here. Kids love cheese. Pineapple and ham. Let's add some ham. Orange chicken, pineapple, pepperoni. Which one do you prefer? Comment below, let me know. In this oven, it's about 15 minutes, depends on your oven. Pizza is ready. Look at the orange chicken. Oh, hot. Let's take out the other two. It looks fabulous. Oh, it smells so good. Let's try a piece of orange chicken. CookingBomb chili sauce. It's great on any pizza, any food, any salad. So good. You gotta wait 30 seconds to have the peppercorn flavor come in. So good. Let's bring outside.
Put a few in here. All right, I'll make a pizza. Sydney and Oscar like pepperoni.
Julia like just cheese.
Now, where'd you get your pizza dough from?
We made it.
Just made it.
Made it from flour.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, that's the easy part.
Easy.
It is?
Which is 4 ingredients like yeast, flour, salt. I put some olive oil in there.
And then you just wait for it to rise?
Yeah. Plus Chinese pizza, orange chicken on there. You're a professional pizza maker?
Not quite.
Not quite. Wow, that looks good.
All right.
Yeah, when you put in, I will put the next pepper.
There we go. Oh, that came out.
Spin the dough.
You like this, right?
Yeah, right?
Professional pizza maker, huh?
Oh, yeah. Spin it, girl, spin it.
Thank you for rolling the dough for me. Right there.
There we go. It's gonna be delicious.
Did you put in the chicken? Is anything in? No.
Face in with pepper face, okay?
这儿，擦。你再放点油嘛，没关系，就是刷点。你边边拌太干了。你坐这边嘛，这边放那个。
It comes out really good. But now you guys definitely have to buy a house so that we can come over for your smoker.
Pineapple should be on pizza or no? Or people different opinion. And Michael.
I think it'd be
Mike.
delicious. Mike would say no, but
Okay.
I would say yes.
Yes, cause I got two sides of people. Always arguing. Two sides of people.
He wants meat.
Yeah, alright, I can
All
understand.
meat.
Maybe today you'll change your mind, right? With
Right.
pineapple on pizza.
He wants some of your barbecue chicken. So
Eat.
good.
So what's your favorite pizza flavor?
Pepperoni.
Pepperoni.
He's enjoying it very much.
All right. Oh, this looks good.
Wow.
Pineapple,
Look at
everyone. Professional pizza cutter.
Oh, yeah.
A maker.
Yeah, good luck.
Oh, hi! Good, how are you?
Doing good.
You should try pizza. Oh, we are making pizza.
Oh, y'all making pizza?
More pizza will be ready. Want some pizza?
Oh, sure. Yeah, let me put my.
Delicious. It takes 90 seconds.
Oh, 90 seconds? Wow.
CookingBomb chili sauce, right? It's not that spicy, but numbing.
Delicious.
First bite was that chicken.